Wondering which stocks to buy and hold in 2025? We've got the top 5 picks for you. Today, we'll delve into the future of investing, focusing on the promising prospects of Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, Microsoft, Visa, and Coca-Cola. We've dug deep, uncovering valuable insights and surprising facts about these giants that will make you rethink your investment strategy. But that's not all. There's a special reveal waiting for you at the end. Stay tuned to find out why these stocks are a must-have in your portfolio. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us and remember to comment and share. First on our list is Johnson & Johnson, the multinational corporation known for its consumer goods, medical devices, and pharmaceutical products. This American behemoth has been a consistent performer in the global market for over a century, and it's no surprise it's caught our attention. Let's take a stroll down memory lane. Over the past 5 years, Johnson & Johnson has demonstrated a steady growth trajectory, showcasing its resilience even in the face of economic uncertainties. This is a testament to its robust business model and diverse product portfolio ranging from baby care to surgical equipment and even blockbuster drugs. Now let's talk numbers. Johnson & Johnson has consistently maintained an annual yield of around 2.5%. While this might not seem astronomical, it's the consistency that's impressive. This steady yield is a reflection of Johnson & Johnson's solid financial health and its commitment to return value to its shareholders. But what makes Johnson & Johnson a good buy and hold in 2025? Well, it's all about stability and innovation. Johnson & Johnson is a company that has proven its ability to weather economic storms. Its diverse range of products ensures a steady stream of revenue, insulating it from the ups and downs of the market. Plus, it's a company that's continuously innovating, investing heavily in research and development to stay at the forefront of the healthcare industry. Furthermore, Johnson & Johnson has a long-standing reputation for corporate responsibility. It's committed to improving health and well-being at every stage of life, making it a company that doesn't just offer financial returns, but also contributes positively to society. So, if you're looking for a stock that offers consistent returns, demonstrates resilience, and is poised for ongoing innovation, then Johnson & Johnson might just be the ticket. With its consistent performance and a decent annual yield, Johnson & Johnson is a stock you might want to consider. Next up is Procter & Gamble, the American multinational consumer goods corporation. This giant of industry has been on a steady upward trajectory over the past several years, proving itself to be a resilient player in the global market. Let's take a closer look. Procter & Gamble, fondly known as P&G, has a diverse portfolio that includes healthcare, beauty, grooming, and home care products. Some of their most recognizable brands include Gillette, Tide, and Crest. This diversity in product offerings has allowed P&G to weather various economic climates with relative ease, making it a reliable choice for long-term investment. But it's not just the company's resilience that makes it an attractive prospect for investors. Procter & Gamble has a history of delivering consistent growth. Over the past decade, the company has seen an average annual growth rate of around 4%. This is a testament to the company's ability to innovate and adapt in a rapidly changing market. Now let's talk about the annual yield. Procter & Gamble has an impressive annual yield percentage standing at approximately 3.2%. This is higher than many of its counterparts in the industry. The combination of steady growth and a high annual yield makes P&G a promising prospect for investors looking for both stability and return on investment. Moreover, the company has a track record of strong corporate governance and a commitment to sustainability, which are increasingly important considerations for investors today. It's clear that P&G is not just about profit, they're also about making a positive impact on the world. So, why is Procter & Gamble a good buy and hold in 2025? Given its history of resilience, its steady growth, its strong annual yield, and its commitment to sustainability, P&G stands as a solid investment choice. The company's ability to maintain a strong brand portfolio and adapt to market changes makes it a potential winner in the long run. Procter & Gamble's strong brand portfolio and steady growth make it a potential addition to your portfolio. Remember, investing is all about the long game, and with P&G, you're investing in a company with a proven track record and a promising future. Now we move on to the tech sector with Microsoft and the finance sector with Visa. Starting with Microsoft, the tech giant has been a consistent performer in the past years. The company's cloud computing platform, Azure, has been a significant growth driver, expanding at a rapid pace every year. Not to mention, Microsoft's suite of software services remains unrivaled. This has led to a steady increase in its annual yield percentage, making it a lucrative choice for investors. What makes Microsoft a good buy and hold in 2025? Well, it's their continuous innovation and adaptability. Despite being one of the oldest tech companies, Microsoft has managed to stay relevant in the fast-changing tech world. Their commitment to investing in new technologies like artificial intelligence and quantum computing signals promising growth prospects. Then there's Visa, the financial services behemoth. Visa has an extensive global network that processes millions of transactions daily. Over the years, it has maintained a steady growth trajectory with a commendable annual yield percentage. Why Visa, you ask? Well, as the world moves towards cashless transactions, Visa stands to benefit enormously. Their robust infrastructure and partnerships with financial institutions worldwide put them in a prime position to capitalize on this trend. Moreover, their foray into digital payments and cryptocurrencies shows their readiness to adapt to the evolving financial landscape. In 2025, Visa's potential growth stems from their ongoing digital transformation initiatives. Their efforts to expand digital payment solutions and tap into emerging markets present a compelling growth story for the future. One more aspect common to both Microsoft and Visa is their strong leadership. Both companies are helmed by visionary leaders who have demonstrated their ability to steer these corporations through various market conditions. This leadership stability adds another layer of assurance for potential investors. Given their dominance in their respective sectors, Microsoft and Visa are stocks that could potentially offer great returns. Their consistent performance, forward-thinking strategies, and adaptability to market trends make them ideal candidates for a buy-and-hold strategy in 2025. These are not just stocks, they are tickets to be part of the technological and financial evolution that's shaping our world. So, as we chart the course of our financial future, it's worth considering these two stalwarts. After all, investing is not just about the returns, it's about being part of a story. And with Microsoft and Visa, you're not just buying stocks, you're buying into a narrative of growth, innovation, and leadership. Last but not least, we have Coca-Cola, the world's largest beverage company. This iconic brand, recognized by 94% of the world's population, has stood the test of time for well over a century. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Coca-Cola has consistently demonstrated a strong performance over the years. Despite the economic downturn in 2020, the company managed to bounce back impressively in 2021, showing its resilience and adaptability. Now, let's talk numbers. Coca-Cola's annual yield percentage has been consistently impressive. In the last 5 years, it has maintained an average dividend yield of around 3.2%. This is notably higher than the average yield of the S&P 500, which stands at approximately 1.5%. But what makes Coca-Cola a good buy and hold in 2025? First off, Coca-Cola is a dividend aristocrat. This means it has increased its dividend for at least 25 consecutive years. This consistency is a testament to the company's financial strength and commitment to returning capital to shareholders. Secondly, Coca-Cola's diverse product portfolio. The company offers more than 500 brands in over 200 countries. This diversity helps Coca-Cola navigate the changing consumer preferences and maintain its market dominance. Thirdly, the company's robust distribution network. Coca-Cola's products are sold in more than 200 countries, thanks to its extensive distribution system. This global reach gives Coca-Cola a competitive edge and helps maintain its market leadership. Lastly, Coca-Cola's commitment to sustainability. The company has taken significant steps to reduce its environmental footprint, which is increasingly important to today's consumers and investors. So, there you have it. Coca-Cola, a company with a rich history, a diverse product portfolio, a robust distribution network, and a strong commitment to sustainability. This company has consistently rewarded shareholders with attractive returns and appears well positioned to continue doing so in the future. With its global presence and strong brand, Coca-Cola is a stock that you might want to hold on to. So, these are the top 5 stocks to buy and hold in 2025. We've taken a journey today, diving deep into the world of Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, Microsoft, Visa, and Coca-Cola. Each of these titans of industry offers a unique opportunity for long-term investment. A steady annual yield, a solid track record, and a strong market presence. These are the hallmarks of a sound investment. Remember Johnson & Johnson with its robust healthcare portfolio. Consider Procter & Gamble, a household name across the globe. Think about Microsoft and Visa, key players in the tech and financial sectors. And let's not forget Coca-Cola, a classic evergreen investment. Investing is as much about patience as it is about choosing the right stocks. And these five, they're certainly worth your patience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for more investment insights. Until next time, happy investing!